Need to sign out of your user account in Windows 11, whether you're done working, handing off your device, or just want to end your session cleanly. I'll show you all the best ways to do it quickly and safely. Let's dive in. Hi everyone and welcome back to the CNATT channel. Let's start by looking at what actually happens when you sign out of your Windows account. When you sign out, Windows closes all your apps and ends your user session. Any unsaved work will be lost, so be sure to save everything beforehand. After signing out, you'll be taken to the lock screen where another user can sign in or you can log back in later. Method 1. Sign out from the Start menu. The easiest way to sign out is through the Start menu. Click the Start button. Click your user profile icon near the bottom left of the Start menu. In the Account menu that opens, simply find the Sign Out option. Its position may vary slightly and click it. This screen shows the position of the Sign Out option in versions 21H2 and 24H2. Versions 21H2 and 22H2 share the same layout, as do 23H2 and 24H2. Microsoft is expected to keep this new layout in version 25H2 and future builds, but the option is always available in the Account menu. Method 2. Sign out using Ctrl-Alt-Delete. For a classic and reliable shortcut, press the Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys simultaneously on your keyboard. From the list of options, you can either click Sign Out or use the arrow keys up down to highlight it, then press Enter to confirm. Ideal for situations when your taskbar is frozen or applications aren't responding. Method 3. Sign out with keyboard shortcuts. Next up is a handy keyboard shortcut. First, press the Windows and X keys simultaneously on your keyboard to open the Power User menu. Then press U followed by I to quickly sign out of your user account in Windows 11. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the Start button, choose Shutdown or Sign Out, and then select Sign Out from the menu. The next keyboard shortcut is a little more complex. First, press the Windows D keys together on your keyboard to minimize all windows and show the desktop, or move your mouse to the lower right corner and click the Show Desktop icon. Now that you're on the desktop, press Alt F4 together. This will bring up a menu with shutdown options. Use the up arrow key to select Sign Out, then press Enter. Method 4. Sign out using the command line. Prefer using commands, you can sign out directly through the Run dialog. Press the Windows R keys together or right-click the Start button and select Run, then type shutdown -L and press Enter. Windows will immediately sign you out. You can also create a desktop shortcut for this. Right-click an empty area on your desktop, select New Shortcut, and then type shutdown -L. Click Next, give it a name like Sign Out, and click Finish. You now have a one-click shortcut to sign out anytime. You can also customize the icon by right-clicking the shortcut, selecting Properties, navigating to the Shortcut tab, and clicking Change Icon. From there, choose any icon you like to make it easier to spot. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now that you've created a desktop shortcut to sign out, you can make the process even faster by assigning a keyboard shortcut. In the same Properties Shortcut tab, click the Shortcut key field and press your desired key combo. For example, you can use Ctrl-Alt-L, L for log off or sign out. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now, whenever you press Ctrl-Alt-L, your PC will instantly sign out, no clicks required. Lock versus sign out. What's the difference? Wondering whether to lock your PC or sign out? Here's the difference. Lock keeps your session active and requires your sign-in credentials if set to unlock. Your apps remain open, allowing you to quickly resume where you left off. Sign out closes all your apps and ends your session completely, freeing up system resources. If you're just stepping away briefly or switching users temporarily, locking is usually the better choice. If you're not coming back soon or want to fully end your session, signing out closes all apps and helps keep your system running efficiently. And that's it. Now you know every major way to sign out of your account in Windows 11, from beginner friendly to advanced shortcuts. Which method do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.